Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add music to Davinci Resolve so that you can add them to your clips. So let's get right into it. Firstly, what you're going to want to do is locate the media pool. The media pool is available here in the cut page or in the edit page, as you can see here in the top left, and you can use it however you want. Now, let's say I want to add any music into this. I don't have any files on me at the current moment, but all you need to do is either open up your Explorer and drag them and drop them here. I'll just demonstrate with a picture. For example, let me add this image here. Just click on it and drag it, and let's say this was an audio file, just click and drag it and it'll be added like so. You can also press Ctrl I or right click import media and locate the file on your computer and then add it like so. And then once you've added those files that you want with the music, all you have to do is just create a audio channel or just add the music on top of your video like so. And then when you play it, when you play your video, your music will be overlaid, or any audio for that matter. And as you can see, that is pretty much all you need to do. Pretty much importing all media is the same. Importing images, importing videos, importing audio, it's all the same process, and you can do it very easily. And once you've added it to the media pool, you just drag it and drop it, and that's all you have to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.